Have you ever wondered where the squid on your plate comes from and how it's processed? From the tough journeys at sea, squid is caught, cleaned, and prepared in various ways to keep its fresh flavor. Join us as we explore this fascinating journey from the ocean to your table. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. As the fishing vessels set sail, they head toward the bountiful waters of Rhode Island and the west coast of California. The nutrient-rich ocean currents and ideal seabed topography have turned these areas into squid capitals, with an estimated squid stock of 50,000 to 100,000 tons per year. Beneath the deep blue waters, massive schools of squid gather, stretching hundreds of meters long, forming shifting, cloud-like patterns in the ocean depths. One of the simplest fishing methods is using light to attract squid closer. When the squid gathers, fishermen use large nets to scoop up batches onto the deck. However, this method only yields a few dozen kilograms of squid per scoop. A more effective method is using trap cages, baited cages placed on the seafloor to lure squid inside, preventing them from escaping. This technique allows for a higher catch compared to scooping with nets, but it still requires waiting time and effort to retrieve the cages. The most common and efficient technique is net fishing, which allows fishermen to harvest tons of squid in a single haul. With this technique, a high-capacity fishing vessel can harvest 5 to 10 tons of squid after each multi-day voyage. The squid processing in the factory follows a strict and closed-loop process, ensuring food safety standards. Upon arrival at the factory, the squid undergoes a preliminary quality inspection before being transferred to a fully automated conveyor system, where workers classify them by size and type. Next, the squid is carefully skinned, giving it a bright white appearance, and then undergoes 2 thorough internal cleaning steps to completely remove the innards, eyes, and mouth, ensuring no impurities remain. To enhance cleanliness and extend shelf life, the squid is then washed with clean water, effectively eliminating bacteria and any fishy odor. After cleaning, the fresh squid is neatly arranged on a conveyor belt and transported to the packaging. Some whole squid are rapidly frozen at -40 degrees Celsius, preserving their firm texture and fresh quality as if they had just been caught. Meanwhile, another portion is sliced into rings then rearranged on trays and subjected to a second freezing process, ensuring stable shape and optimal quality before being exported or distributed to the market.
Behind every crispy, golden piece of KFC chicken lies a complex and fascinating journey in industrial food production, one that begins long before it reaches your plate. Have you ever wondered how millions of chicken pieces are transformed from raw ingredients into those mouth-watering, flavor-packed meals? Let's take a detailed look at the extensive process that brings KFC's iconic secret recipe to life in just minutes. The story of KFC is one of resilience and determination. Colonel Harlan Sanders, born on September 9, 1890, in Henryville, Indiana, faced numerous hardships throughout his life. Despite early struggles, including a lack of financial stability and over 1,000 rejections when trying to sell his chicken recipe, Sanders pressed on. It wasn't until his 40s when he was running a gas station in Kentucky that Sanders started serving meals to travelers, and it was his fried chicken that quickly became a specialty. In 1935, he opened his first restaurant, Kentucky Fried Chicken, and was awarded the honorary title of Colonel by the Governor of Kentucky. One of the largest frozen pizza production plants in the U.S. manufactures an astonishing 50,000 pizzas every hour. Pizza, which dates back to ancient Greece and Rome with flatbreads and early pizza-like dishes, became popular street food in Naples, Italy by the 1700s. In 1889, pizza as we know it today emerged with the creation of Pizza Margherita by Raffaele Esposito, made with tomato, mozzarella, and basil to honor Queen Margherita of Savoy. When Italian immigrants brought pizza to the U.S. in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, it quickly gained popularity. After World War II, returning soldiers helped spread its love across the country, and chains like Pizza Hut, founded in 1958, and Domino's, founded in 1960, helped solidify pizza as an American culinary staple. In large frozen pizza facilities, massive machines mix and knead batches of dough, then flatten it into smooth, even sheets using large rolling machines. These sheets pass through a spiked roller to prevent air bubbles and maintain consistent thickness. The dough is then shaped into perfectly round pizza bases, either by pressing or precision machines. Capable of handling extensive excavation tasks, such as moving soil or rock, the Komatsu PC1250 maintains consistent performance even in harsh environments. This adaptability makes it an invaluable tool for large-scale projects, as it ensures operations remain efficient and on schedule, with minimal downtime. In addition, the Caterpillar D8T bulldozer plays a critical role in tasks like river dredging, where the need for power and precision is paramount. Equipped with a robust engine, the D8T bulldozer can efficiently clear river sludge, reshape riverbeds, and maintain proper depth for ongoing construction projects. Its heavy-duty build ensures it can handle large workloads without compromising on efficiency or accuracy, enabling important infrastructure projects to proceed without delays. Modern heavy machinery is also designed to overcome unexpected obstacles swiftly. Shredded cheese is applied evenly using specialized dispensers to achieve that perfect cheesy consistency. The pizzas are then sent through colossal industrial ovens, which bake at temperatures between 450 degrees Fahrenheit and 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Some ovens can bake up to 400 pizzas per minute. Once baked, the pizzas are cooled quickly and flash frozen to preserve freshness, reducing the temperature to as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Their precision and power ensure that these tasks are completed rapidly while adhering to environmental regulations. Machines like the full-S truck, which is used to transport the massive Leap 984 excavator, are essential for moving heavy construction equipment across challenging terrain. The truck's powerful engine ensures that large excavators are transported safely and efficiently to construction sites, where they can immediately begin their tasks. Boneless meat then moves to a smart processing line that only releases products meeting the required batch recipe specifications. Once processed, chicken parts such as drumsticks, thighs, and breasts are either delivered fresh or frozen to KFC outlets. The chicken then enters the most important phase of flavor development, marination. KFC's proprietary blend of herbs and spices infuses the chicken with the distinctive flavor that sets their fried chicken apart. This spice blend is a closely guarded secret, known only to a select few. Suppliers are regularly audited to verify they meet these standards, ensuring that animals are treated humanely, food safety protocols are followed, and sustainable practices are in place. Many of these suppliers are certified by organizations like the Global Food Safety Initiative, GFSI, which enforces top-tier food safety standards. This partnership ensures that KFC's chicken is not only flavorful but also ethically sourced and environmentally responsible, giving customers peace of mind with every meal. Once the chickens arrive at KFC's production facilities, the process begins with humane handling to ensure the birds are unconscious and unaware of any pain. The first step involves stunning the chickens, rendering them unconscious before they are swiftly and efficiently slaughtered. The chickens are then dipped in a hot water bath to loosen the feathers, which are removed by machines equipped with hundreds of rotating rubber fingers that gently pluck them off. Afterward, the chickens undergo a thorough cleaning process using high-pressure water and food-safe cleaning solutions to remove any remaining feathers, dirt, and debris. The internal cavity is also flushed with fresh water to eliminate blood and tissue, ensuring the chicken is perfectly clean both inside and out. Next, the feet and internal organs are removed. For instance, when the Komatsu PC1250 excavator became stuck in an excavation pit, its powerful engine and durable design allowed it to be freed in just a few minutes, minimizing downtime. The Caterpillar 336D and 323F excavators, which are currently in use at Bars Lake, demonstrate their efficiency and versatility in performing tasks like gravel dredging and maintaining the lake's depth. Their precision and power ensure that these tasks are completed rapidly while adhering to environmental regulations. Machines like the full-S truck, which is used to transport the massive Leap 984 excavator, are essential for moving heavy construction equipment across challenging terrain. The truck's powerful engine ensures that large excavators are transported safely and efficiently to construction sites, where they can immediately begin their tasks. The Seismic 1150 Evo surface miner is a prime example, featuring a 500 horsepower engine designed for efficient soil and rock excavation. This powerful machine is built to dig into the earth, process large quantities of material, and move them across challenging terrain. Afterward, the pizzas are placed on cardboard discs, wrapped in multi-layered plastic film to keep them airtight and free from freezer burn. High-speed wrapping machines apply the plastic, and the pizzas are inspected for quality before being placed in pre-printed boxes. These boxes are sealed, labeled with production dates, batch numbers, and expiration dates. These industrial food production facilities demonstrate the power of modern technology, which scales traditional processes to produce mass quantities while maintaining the quality and taste that millions of customers around the world love. Whether it's tackling hard rock or softer soil, the Seismic 1150 Evo's engineering ensures that it remains highly efficient even in remote, demanding environments like open-pit mines and large-scale excavation sites. Its reliability and performance are crucial to improving operational productivity in the mining industry. Similarly, the Comet D375A8 excavator, equipped with a 510 horsepower engine, operates successfully even in extreme conditions, such as the rugged terrain of the French Alps. These difficult landscapes, coupled with unpredictable weather patterns, pose serious challenges for most machinery, but the Comet D375A8 thrives in these environments. Its power and efficiency enable it to handle large quantities of earth and rock, ensuring smooth operations for construction and mining projects, even when weather conditions threaten to disrupt operations. The Komatsu PC1250 excavator, which operates with a 400 horsepower engine, is another notable machine that adapts to demanding conditions in construction and mining. After the chicken is pre-cut, manual harvesting begins, where fillets and tenders are hand-picked to ensure only the best cuts of meat are used. After the meat is carefully separated, it is scanned using advanced X-ray bone detection technology. Any remaining bone fragments are flagged by the system and sent to a manual inspection area, where workers remove the last pieces by hand. After marination, the chicken is coated in KFC's signature breading mixture, a combination of flour and seasonings that ensures the chicken is evenly coated, giving it that irresistibly crispy, crunchy texture. A key component of KFC's signature fried chicken is Colonel Sanders' innovation, the pressure fryer. Unlike traditional frying, where chicken is submerged in open oil, the pressure fryer seals the chicken inside a chamber filled with hot oil. As the fryer heats up, pressure builds within the chamber, locking in moisture that would otherwise escape in standard frying methods. This results in chicken that's crispy on the outside but incredibly juicy and tender on the inside, delivering the perfect bite every time. The freshly fried chicken emerges golden brown and piping hot, ready to be served either as individual pieces or in a meal with sides and drinks. While KFC is known for its signature recipe chicken, a similar process occurs in the production of frozen pizzas, with an equally impressive use of technology and precision. Did you know that Americans consume over 3 billion frozen pizzas each year? For instance, when the Komatsu PC1250 excavator became stuck in an excavation pit, its powerful engine and durable design allowed it to be freed in just a few minutes, minimizing downtime. The Caterpillar 336D and 323F excavators, which are currently in use at Bars Lake, demonstrate their efficiency and versatility in performing tasks like gravel dredging and maintaining the lake's depth.